Are you a biker as well?
Used to be, not anymore.
No.
That's what you call a Merlin in working condition. Let's stroll down here. Yeah.
They've got another where did you go? There's a whirlwind in there, or what's it? Or really high revs, it's not really that big a deal. I don't do either of those. I mean,
Yeah, it was though, yeah. Was that a Taylorcraft, wasn't it?
I have no idea what tow it is.
Yeah.
Pick that up, mate. That's a good shout.
Yeah? Cheers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice. Never mind. Sorry. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one was, yeah, definitely.
Just says for sale. Nah, just saying to another concept, but we'll have to sell. I can remember them from when I was a kid.
Yeah, yeah. Martin, where's your silk scarf? Yeah. film now. Carry on, Mark. Sorry.
So, blind flying pan in the middle.
Yeah.
Then you got your flat lever there.
Yeah, flaps.
Oxygen regulator.
Yeah.
There's your clock. There's your mag switches over right on the far left.
Yeah, mag switches.
There's your brake differential pressure gauge.
Yep.
Pressure gauge. Nose trim.
Yep.
And there's your compass deviation cards.
Oh yeah, east is west, west is west.
That's it.
That's it.
So you come in, you've got your starter buttons there.
Yeah.
Then your car gas pump.
Right.
Underneath there.
What's this one? What's that one? That one there.
That's a Morse code key.
Oh, Morse. Oh, is it? Yeah. Like a length,
you
they
can
got
send,
one.
yeah, you
this
can
one
send
joystick. Yeah.
Morse message over the radio as well
That's
as voice
right,
messages.
And
Yeah.
also flash the lights for the ID of the day and that sort of stuff.
And then you got, I say, rev counter at the top. And
Yeah.
you got your what's that, boost gauge.
Yeah.
You've got oil temp, oil pressure,
Right.
and your coolant temperature. And the fuel tank level down the bottom.
Right. Amazing.
You got red warning light there for the fuel.
Yeah.
Don't want that to come on. And you got your tank
Joystick.
pressure down there. You got your gun button obviously.
Right.
Because it's got cannons and machine guns.
Yeah.
I think that's machine guns, that's cannons.
And that could be locked, could it? You could lock that, could you, in an
Well,
off
it's like a
position?
neutral position.
Oh, right, yeah.
It rocks.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Top or bottom.
Yeah.
And you push the middle for all of them.
That's your brake release here, isn't it?
Brake on the back, so that's the brake lever.
Yeah.
You pull that on,
Yeah.
and then the differential braking's off the rudder bar.
Right.
Connect to the valve.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's amazing.
And you got your trim, nose up and down trim, elevator,
Yeah.
trim, the little one.
Yeah. Because the thing, when they took off that, it changed hands, didn't they? To from the throttle to the undercarriage.
In the early ones it used to, because you had to pump it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this one, you just, I mean, you could do it in seconds. You just move the lever from up to, and it's done.
Brilliant.
But yeah, the early ones used to take off and it'd be going like this.
Yeah. Waving around
Pumping
there.
up and down.
Let's shot that wing. Look. Wow. Yeah.
And on the wing there, you set a little door down there.
Yeah.
That's when the flaps are down. That comes up.
Right. Yeah.
That's an indicator for the show you they're down.
Yeah. Cool.
I don't know if this has got.
That's a hell of a view of that nose, isn't it, as well?
Now, some of them, the early ones, they have like a red painted post comes up out of the
That's
wing
it,
when the
yeah.
carriage is
That's
down.
it, yeah,
This hasn't got that.
yeah. Wow, yeah, it's brilliant. That nose, look at that nose.
Yeah, it's a long nose on this one. We're in the 61, and
Yeah.
right. You'd have to weave. You have the seat fully up.
Yeah.
When you're taxiing, and then
Cool, that's brilliant. Yeah.
differential braking, left to right.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. And was it steered off the rudder bars? Yeah, that's the steerable rear wheel. Was
No, it's fully castrum rear wheel. It's not steerable.
Right, yeah,
It's-
yeah.
It hasn't even got a lock on these, has it?
No.
No, there's no lock on the tail wheel on these. No, I don't think there is. No, no it just pivots.
Cool. That's it. Picture of Mark, Mr. Spitfire. Thank you very much.
Your genial host.
Yeah. They made these conversions.
Organised this, Chris.
Yeah,
The
well,
one that was in the back of the car behind you.
Chris or Mark?
Extremely fragile.
Yeah, it is, yes. That spotter observation aircraft, this one.
Want my fat arse up in the air in that
Yeah,
thing?
take it, do it, yeah, do it. Yeah, tiny little engine, a little flat four-cylinder engine.
Yeah, the phrase fuck that comes to mind.
couple stars. I wouldn't go for it if having an accumulator plugged in. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, chops out here.
That could be him.
There he is.
I don't think it's Don then.
No.
Oh, the name is going up now. That could be Don, yeah.
Yeah. Got the eye out. Oh, I lost it. No. Just going past the building, yeah.